A warm welcome and a good evening. This is our 23 on a 23 plate BMW 220i M Sport automatic 2-door coupe 2 series in Brooklyn grey metallic with the M Performance Pro Pack and also technology pack, so that means it has the reverse camera and the heads-up display amongst other features. The M Pro Pack, you have the copious amounts of high gloss black exterior detailing, including the wheels, the red brake calipers with the fronts having 4 pistons to give you an increased braking efficiency. Larger discs on the front and the BMW standard, I think, size discs and calipers on the rear, but they are again in red. It's one owner, and Dave, who owned the car, has emigrated out to Dubai, so that is the only reason the car is available. He had the car from Bowker BMW in Blackburn, and we were very fortunate to meet up with somebody who knew him, and just at the right time we managed to strike a deal. So here she is, 9,700 miles. The odd stone chip which the camera will not pick up, MT23 VPC, but no damage other than the odd stone chip. Alloy wheels all in as new condition, sitting with P0 Pirelli tyres, all matching. And there, I have taken a shot of the wheel on the front here, but have a look for yourself on the video. It's been through our workshop partners. It's also been to BMW in Crewe. There are no outstanding recalls. You can buy the car as a straight purchase, or you can arrange through ourselves or through yourself finance for the car. We have a range of options available on our website right by the car, and you can do all that without even picking the phone up. So you can alter the payment term, number of months, you can alter the deposit, and give you an instant quote, and even apply for finance, all without needing to speak to us. Vehicle wise, this is our third 2 Series coupe, and would you believe it, they all have been in this spec and this colour, Brooklyn grey, which we believe to be the best selling colour once you've chosen the options that this person did choose. So it's just one private owner. We have both key fobs, and it's still intact with BMW warranty until May of 2026. Locking wheel nut again is present. Both rear seats fold, and so does the centre armrest. You can have one seat folded, both seats folded and the armrest up, or you can have just the armrest down, which is great for golf clubs, I guess. Inside the car you have the Alcantara and leather seats with the double blue stitching, really attractive, and I have taken some pictures, I believe, decent pictures of that. Harman Kardon stereo sound system, again with the M Pro Pack, and privacy glass, and this beautiful, small but delicate, very attractive spoiler. I don't know why I'm lowering my voice, but there we go. Lovely back lamp units, twin exhausts, parking sensors, reverse camera, decent sized boot, and as I've already explained, the back seats will very easily fold forwards if you need extra space. You just put your hand on the handle, bring that back, and that then will go forward when you just pull it forward from the inside. We've been in business for 28 years, and we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. All our reviews are available on Google, Auto Trader and Facebook, so please do take a read through some of our reviews. We've offered we've offered delivery. It was free at the beginning, but with the costing of fuel in the last few years, we've unfortunately had to just make a charge to cover our costs. So mileage wise, we can get the car to your home for £1.50 per mile, and that's a driven service. You can have it transported, but that is considerably more because of the cost of doing so, but we can give you a quote for that if you wish. We haven't bumped a car yet, so every car we've delivered, hundreds, we've got to the address or place of work in good order, and obviously accidents can happen, but we haven't had one yet, and we've never had to come back with a car. So we don't ask you to buy a car unseen online, but if you are happy to do so, then we're probably one of the better dealers to do it from. Mainly because we buy them privately and we then detail them, bespoke detail them. It doesn't matter on the age or the mileage or the cost. Every vehicle undergoes the same tried and trusted treatment, and there are videos on our YouTube channel of just what we do. Suffice to say that what we do is like a forensic crime scene. So when I say to you there are no smells, no obnoxious smells of tobacco or animal odours, that is exactly what I mean. There aren't any. And this car, you'd be surprised, or maybe not surprised to know, it hasn't got any smells. It's a lovely, lovely car. It's the facelift version with the short gear selector and the iPad type screen on its side, and there's your technology pack. Well, your technology pack, I don't know if you can see it in the windscreen, it just projects the car's speed and driving style onto the windscreen in front of you. Voice activation, M Sport steering wheel, heated and folding door mirrors, and an 8-speed automatic gearbox with sport option. And I've put plenty of photographs of the screen. It's a little bit bright, isn't it? I've got it on. See if we can just darken it. That's a little bit better, isn't it? So that's the BMW face screen, and then what you were just seeing before was the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto screen, which you can have as well. My phone's an Apple phone, so it was Apple CarPlay. But altogether, a beautiful car. Lots of the keys in there. You've got a USB port, 12-volt power socket, armrest with the small, is it the USB-C 2 connector, the smaller connector. So those of you that got more modern phones than I have, then you can use your phone in this vehicle. And the gearbox wise, it's just literally, I'm just going to sort of, I think I'll just put my other leg in and just give you a taste of the gearbox. So pardon me for bringing the door closed. Foot on the brake, and then just bring this into D for drive, and there you go, it's D for drive, and off you go. If you touch it again, it goes into sport, if you notice there, so that locks the gears and gives you not a complete 8 speed, it gives you, I think it's 6 or 7, it locks the sort of some gears out of a bit. If you do it again, it goes back into drive, and you've got the paddle shift to do it as well, either side, up or down, right for speeding up and left for speeding down. You also have high beam assist on the end of the stalk just there. So if you push that button in, let me just put it back into park before I cause an accident. If you push the A button, sorry, not the P, the A button, that automatically will put you on high beam on country lanes, and then knock it off as it detects a light coming towards you. And it does work. I've got it on my car, and this is no different. So it's a good option. Auto lights, of course, LEDs. Just a really, really nice car. So it's available, it's just fresh into stock. We've only had the car just a little over a week. It's taken us a little while to put it into the system because we've been so busy with deliveries, a busy March and a good start to April. So we were rather short of cars a few weeks ago, and we still are short of cars. So if you do have a car to sell, or you're part exchanging a car, then please reach out to us at www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk. That's our website for buying cars, and you'll get a bespoke valuation of your car, and we will value the car for the spec it has, the colour it has, the mileage it has, and the service history. We don't ignore things like that. So that's probably why we buy so many cars off people, off their driveway, so to speak. All payments are by bank transfer, and we don't charge any fees, and we can even collect. So it may well be worth you jumping onto the website there and asking us to give you a price for your vehicle. So that's David Bilsborough, Cheshire Cars, business owner, 28 and a few months in business. We'll soon be celebrating 30 years, and we have some surprises on our 30th anniversary. So we'll be giving you those in the next 12 months or so, I guess. We're just sort of putting a few plans into place to celebrate 30 years in business. We'll have a fantastic evening, and we hope to hear off you very, very soon indeed on this 23 plate BMW 220i M Sport 8-speed automatic coupe in Brooklyn grey metallic.